So this is in the middle of a really big fucking storm. About, I would think, 10:45 in the morning. The streets here are flooding. This isn't normal for here. Fucking mud bath here already. I'm just chilling here on the porch, taking it all in, kinda. Fucking wow. This is insane for around here. I mean, I think it's a tropical storm rolling in, but even for that, it's kind of crazy around here. Ooh, flash. You know, on second thought, I'm not going to bother. I was going to go stand out there and maybe take a couple pictures of myself in the rain with the tripod from here. But no, ain't happening.
Alright, let's go, Abe.
Like that. It ain't happening. End transmission.
I actually